If you want to clone WhatsApp on your Google Pixel 10, what you can do is, first of all, we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down until you find Security and Privacy. And then over here, we're gonna go to the private space. We need to set up private space. You will have to enter your ScreenLock password. You will have to set up a ScreenLock password if you don't have one. And let's press Setup. Now, private space is pretty much a separate environment where we can install apps once again in that environment. So actually, even if you don't have an app installed on your phone, you can actually install it just in the private space, which will be, of course, locked. So over here, we can press Got It, and we will have to sign into our Google account so that we have access to the Play Store in the private space. And then we want to select that we will be using this device, and we need to agree to Google Terms of Service. Afterwards, you will have to set up a password. Well, you can either create a new password for the private space, or you can use the same one as for the ScreenLock. In my case, I'm gonna actually use the same as for ScreenLock. I don't really care about privacy in this case, but if you want to, you can create a separate password. And there we go, we are all set, so let's press Done. Now in order to find the private space, we need to scroll all the way down, and there we go. We can unlock it by tapping on this lock, and then you can use biometrics or use your ScreenLock password in order to proceed. And there we go. Now once we open it, as you can see, I already have WhatsApp over here, but I can press Add here and then Install Apps in order to install WhatsApp once again. So let's search for WhatsApp. There we go. And then we should be able to install the app. There we go. Over here, let's install it. So as you can see, even though I already have it, I can install it again. And if I go to the private space, as you can see here, I have it. And I can set up pretty much something like a different account over here, because this app, actually this whole private space, has different data, different settings, different files, and so on and so forth. So this is pretty much a second version of the WhatsApp. So you can have the main one over here in the app drawer, or just generally speaking on your phone, and then the other version in the private space. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.